All right, in my video today, I want to talk about challenges and pains of managing bill of materials and product information using Excel and how OpenBOM can help you. So I will give you some guidance how to use OpenBOM, but first let's talk about problems. Excels are very easy to start, but within time, it's end up with the mess and complexity. So you can export bill of materials from any CAD system to Excel, but when you will need to consolidate changes after multiple times, you will end up with the wrong information. So you can attach Excel file to email and send it to people, but after several times, you will send the wrong file. So calculations and roll-ups, it's a big problem when you will try to do it in Excel with the nested bill of material structures. You will make mistakes and you will get the wrong cost. So if you will need to track change history and revisions, you can somehow end up with Excel as in multiple folders, but over time you will use a wrong Excel. So think about that all this complexity and all these problems, you will end up with ordering wrong parts, wrong purchase orders with mistakes. You will have hard time to forecast cost and forecast time. So you will be slow, you will be delayed, you will be not efficient. So here's how OpenBOM can help you. These are the top 5 things that create a unique value proposition of OpenBOM. First of all, it's a product record and a single version of truth. OpenBOM organized a single place where all information about items and bill of material usages are stored and managed. You don't have a duplicated data anymore. All descriptions, cost, and all information about items saved in one place, and structure and relationships are managed together. So all information is under control. Second, OpenBOM provides a unique, out-of-the-box CAD integrations that automate the process of bill of material creation from different CAD systems. You don't need manually synchronize any data. Single click on the button will create bill of materials from any CAD. The next one is a calculations. OpenBOM out-of-the-box quantity rollup and calculations and formulas to roll up cost mass will give you a unique way to calculate everything, and you will automate this process. So no more nested bill of materials calculations and summaries. Data sharing mechanism, no more emails. So you can share information instantly with the single button click, or you can organize role-based access using OpenBOM team or company subscription. Last but not least, OpenBOM gives you a way to plan purchases using order BOM. Sometimes we call it planning BOM. So imagine you ordering a quantity of production batch, like 10 units or 100 units. OpenBOM will help you to calculate the amount of parts that needs to be ordered and will compare it with the quantity on hand. So inventory management is part of the OpenBOM functionality and it's part of OpenBOM catalogs. So in the next video, we will talk about examples, specific examples of product usage. But now remember, for the next video, you need to have some samples of your data because you will be using it to practice and try an OpenBOM functionality out of the box. So I will talk to you soon in the next video. Thank you very much and see you soon.